Customer service representative, can you install Love? Customer, I can do that. I'm not very technical, but I think I am ready to install now. What do I do first? Customer service representative, the first step is to open your heart. Have you located your heart, ma'am? Customer, yes I have, but there are several programs running right now. Is it okay to install while they are running? Customer service representative, what programs are running, ma'am? Customer, let me see. I have passthird.x, lowsteam.x, grudge.x, and resentment.com running right now. Customer service representative, no problem. Love will automatically erase passthird.x from your current operating system. It may remain in the permanent memory, but it will no longer disrupt other programs. Love will eventually overwrite lowsteam.x with a module of its own called highesteam.x. However, you have to completely turn off grudge.x and resentment.com. Those programs prevent Love from being properly installed. Can you turn those off, ma'am? Customer, I don't know how to turn them off. Can you tell me how? Customer service representative, my pleasure. Go to your start menu and invoke forgiveness.x. Do this as many times necessary until grudge.x and resentment.com have been completely erased. Customer, okay, I'm done. Love has started installing itself automatically. Is that normal? Customer service representative, yes it is. You should receive a message that says it will reinstall for the life of your heart. Do you see that message? Customer, yes I do. Is it completely installed? Customer service representative, yes, but remember that you have only the base program. You need to begin connecting to other hearts in order to get the upgrades. Customer, oops, I have an error message already. What should I do? Customer service representative, what does the message say? Customer, it says error 412 program not run on internal components. What does that mean? Customer service representative, don't worry ma'am, that's a common problem. It means that the Love program is set up to run on external hearts but has not yet been run on your heart. It is one of those complicated programming things, but in non-technical terms it means you have to love your own machine before it can love others. Customer, so what should I do? Customer service representative, can you find the directory called self-acceptance? Customer, yes, I have it. Customer service representative, excellent, you are getting good at this. Customer, thank you. Customer service representative, you're welcome. Click on the following files and then copy them to the myheart directory. Forgiveself.doc, self-esteem. txt, realizeworth.txt, and goodness. Doc. The system will overwrite any conflicting file and begin patching any faulty programming. Also, you need to delete selfcritic.x from all directories and then empty your recycle bin afterwards to make sure it is completely gone and never comes back. Customer, got it. Hey, my heart is filling up with really neat files. Smile.mpg is playing on my monitor right now and it shows that warmth.com, peace.x, and contentment.com are copying themselves all over my heart. Customer service representative, then Love is installed and running. You should be able to handle it from here. One more thing before I go. Customer, yes. Customer service representative, love is freeware. Be sure to give it and its various modules to everybody you meet. They will in turn share it with other people and they will return some really neat modules back to you. Customer, I will. Thank you for your help. The vapors rise to the morning skies, clad in a purple glory, while the lovelight glows on the eternal snows, upon the summits hoary, and the Himalayas queen, calm and serene, returns the heavens greeting, in robes of white, bathed in golden light, where earth and sky are meeting, and the morning dews and mellow hues paint her cheeks with fairy fingers, while o'er the rills and the sun-kissed hills the lovelight gently lingers, and the breaking day sends the first faint ray of love's undying fountains, while the heart feels the thrills of the voice from the hills, and the soul that dwells in the mountains. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Skill by Pritesh Vadgama.